Welcome everybody. Today we are going to learn about triangles. In particular, we are going to learn about equilateral, isosceles, and scalene triangles. Equilateral, isosceles, and scalene triangles. There is a fourth type called a right angle triangle, and then there's any triangle with a right angle, but today we're looking at equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. Guys, here is our first type of triangle. Can you guess which one it is? Have a look. The sides are equal. The angles are equal. As you can see there, it has got 3 5-centimeter sides. All the angles are equal. What sort of triangle do you think it is? Have a guess. It is very likely to be, because everything is equal, it is an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle. Sides equal and angles are equal. Okay, let's have a look at the next type of triangle. Okay guys, I can see I've sort of given it away here. You can see that it says up the top that 2 sides are equal. You can see I've indicated the 2 sides that are equal. They are 8 centimeters. There is another side. It is not equal to the other sides. Right, the bottom of the triangle is 12 centimeters. So we can say any triangle that has 2 equal sides and does not have a right angle, we will call a what sort of triangle? It's got 2 equal sides and doesn't have a right angle. It is an isosceles triangle. And I wonder what a good way to remember that is. It's easy to remember the equilateral triangle. We can remember that because everything's just equal. But if you want to remember an isosceles triangle, here's a trick for you. Whenever I have my glass of Coke, I have 2 ices in it. 2 pieces of ice. 1 and 2. So you can remember that I have 2 ice, that is isosceles, 2 ice, 2 equal sides. Isosceles, 2 pieces of ice, 2 equal sides. Here's the last triangle, guys, and I call this triangle the lonely triangle. He is a scalene triangle, and he's lonely because he is scaly. I like to pretend that he's scaly, and he's scaly, so he's got no friends. Nothing about him is the same. Poor guy. Look, this long bit here, that's blue because it is 14 centimeters. Right? This bit down here, down the side, that's red because it is 8 centimeters. Okay? Right, and look at this bit down the bottom. That's 9 centimeters. All the sides are different. Let's look at the angles. Oh, this poor triangle. This angle up here, this angle is... Right, this angle up the top is 95 degrees. Right, this angle down the side here is actually 50 degrees. This angle on the side here is, oh, sorry guys, is, oh, the whole thing's misbehaving. Let's just stop it. Let's start again. Right, this angle on the side here is 35 degrees. There it is. Look, nothing is the same. All angles are different. All sides are different. And that's why we call him the scalene triangle. If my pen behaves, I'll draw it. And I'll even draw it in green if it behaves. Scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. And I remember that he's scaly. I like to remember that he's scaly because it's got the scale in it. He's a scaly triangle. He's got no friends because he's so different. Everything about him is different. So he's the lonely triangle. No one likes to play with him. His angles are different and his sides are different. Okay guys, here's a little test for you. Triangle A. Have a quick look at it. I just drew it freehand, but can you imagine that the angles are equal and the sides are equal? What sort of triangle is it? Have a guess. Pause me. That's right guys, it is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral. Lateral. Let's have a look at triangle B. I'm going to mix it up a bit here. Here's triangle B. Here we go. All right. It has got all sides different, all angles different. What sort of triangle do you think it is? Right, pause me and find out if you can. What sort of triangle do you think it is? It is a scalene triangle. All right, let's have a look at another triangle here. Triangle C. Look at this one. It has got one big long one down the bottom. But look, these other two are equal. Let's imagine they're equal. They're both the same length, and the bottom one is a different length. Because it's got two sides equal, guys, pause me. See if you can remember what it is. It is an two pieces of ice in my Coke. Two sides equal. It is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles. Okay, guys. Thanks for listening. Make sure you get them right in the test. See you later.